Sia anapemu bibi akwaba soko FM Radio TV Nsemsem Dwumadze so ena ayasan akọ yababiom aweni egusu eno anda ye started with enkomobi and eneno mekache eno mekache was eneno yabeto so eno enhukunya na no be yasan esi ewo studio ha se yababeto so medi ede nana ama boediwa de chiro wadwen ewo Ghana ye politics anase ya manyo sem no de chiro wadwen obetumi ede aba but Temi America say ya men are the insult. Why? In Penifono Mo studio has say no, they are old enough to be your father, and you know ya men are the insult to comment near then. Ebanisana sheda emfa ibia emfa and also any insult so nyadia mekasa wo ho enti bomodian say wonfa insult emfa ka wo comment a wo be share no ho. Opinion menya no e wo fia ha say no Isa Fuseni Western Regional Communication Officer the ma NPP ejuma NPP party no Western Region ha say mesan so enya NDC wo Shama secretary no e studio ha say babi obeba no e be start enkomo ne so and then Ghana case na assistance now no yenyina yenim COVID-19 no nti no mma yin na yin boy ho ban na bibia ntumi enkoso aha Nsemsem Dwumadze so on Ideas TV era isa anapema mema wakwa abaso confirm Ideas TV
me
anape bibia boko de
mo ho ye papa
ye de nyankopon ase eno a ye start enkomo bi ena no pe no ye san so ye ba betoa so eno na ye hwe ye enema empenifo egu akwan omugu so omo ye ene de omaye die egu wono ena ni titire omampeni promise was sambe make biem efa no hospitals ho any other related issues eno ano ye hwe but ene no ye toaso ye hwe agric minister aba bonti abeka there is enough food and intino emaye nyina ye mpusu ye ho emaye nsuro you can go to the market anytime you want to get food stuff. But I think on Wednesday, may crew no echo out, echo sample views from the market women where they share their views. He say, "Enema ebo usua day." Now we're hoping say, "Anka mampeni alepti ban in kwandie, inkebe to me abo ananka, ya ye na yentumi yenko yentumi yemban say betumi akwe betumi aba." I think no so kwabe boa nanka prices on food no kebe to me akofom, but still. I mean, besides that, planting for food and jobs, or mampeni, na one of the Juma ne dena kuma so se wobeya dia boy yin. I mean, besides assistance now, no, looking at what the market women are expressing, no, what is our state when it comes to planting for food and jobs? Food especially.
I mean, in fact, I couldn't use Ashafo. Mitia Western Region for you na Mitia Western Regional Minister na apa for MMDC sa omo hwe so wa haso che obi biara na omampanyin na do danko akofo ado dwuma pa odi buayan ama sisi ye hu bibia ye direction a ye be den ye fa Mitia no papa be manche wa bank wanya food prices now okay one some no you see you were a way of life Ghana I always say there Ghana for the yako yenyum yanko echi say ade enya akosoro pe na ya the prices to so na ade nampo ya santi so from the source and I say from the market nipa no okoto ade na eba nampo still the person maintains the old prices na original today obisu at prices do there because of many na wa stick a year wholesales no mekwa prices no ko for nti say me so me prices so entancy even fuel prices simple the same way nti I am one because first na lockdown no e buy no na food prices na share there all look also because people were shopping amount for air trade and akwasi because no mo fi say total lockdown across the country so moya sa nanti amount for ama prices na ekoso na yana ankasa tememfo no na eye ho enye obi na oye aina na eye ho pa seriously cause ade a onim say price no koto wa source oye market na wo de ba no so baton a price and I say profit kakra obanya no na wa double profit no ama akoso because amanfo e demand more and because of the demand now urbanity so the prices kakra e to so meaning why nka oton the same price in empire you still have a profit until you know it's not driven by the economy, it's driven by the behavior of ourselves until I nkasa na then yeah na minister agric minister eka sa so a odika because buffer stock area bia abani wa stock it ban eku buffer stock pa said ebe ya say crisis say ba na yetuma release dam ediban no ama obi a enya bi ato nti dam eyi ne de owo ho na aban so di ho ejuma nti so kada ediban no wakroma ampare ediban no wakrom though the prices are not going down as we wish the price should have gone but Ghanaians are still keeping their price as it is but me get the sense lockdown no omo ABA no obi atomo koba obi akọ ukobi post sisi aboko na market no koso uko aguna kwanta sisi aboko na market no koso na villages no so sabi omo so ediban no efi hodo mo so whatever fine nti mo hu why ediban no store amount entity so omo so kura prices no so high like that nti ono de yankasa na nya aban
well my young friend so yen share 350 senior high schools at Mampeni and its manifesto no will promise yes will be see Ghana for ne omo mobile school and the thing be able to many school because before ex-president fees no we say senior high schools na pepe so ye ankasa and to Mampeni ele sabo say ba hono assistant what is the state
we never promise in our manifesto there you see 350 secondary schools. The manifesto is available. You can go to the education sector. Now we check up from A to Z. There is nothing like that. We never promised 360 schools. What we did is that in 2016 and 2012, Nanado Danko Akufado, Nsemsem Dwumadze, Eka Semi say nyame ya adubuna say ya man to me in 2012 oba obesi schools 360 schools. That was a message to the people. Now oba 2016 or sansi so catch and say ya man to me in 2016 now oba obesi 360 schools. It's on can answer. Now ya no me so equify one worker there obesi 250 schools across the country. Now who am more promise say obesi 360 no be so asha sit there already then let's see also obesi 250. Do you have to add it to your manifesto again when people have started already? So it was not added in our manifesto. It was just a message to the people and the NDC for Safai there were obesi 250 across the country and they started washa so no World Bank say umbafa about 25 schools now was sponsored by World Bank. Now when I so obviously in Kaya I had 225 schools now working now making it 250. At the end of it, you know, be a moko cut short, na be a muye, na be a moment to complete even by compo. But various stages of completion there almost shares in 44 secondary schools are almost shares. Out of 44 no OT World Bank and 225 schools in the film. It means that our Ankasa 19 schools in order what they pay. To end this for Ankasa, where they were 6 schools in a way then seriously 19 schools, no more out of 225 schools. Until no, there are more either I saw before. Almost see no. Most of them have been completed by this particular government. Oh, so many schools have been, even they are put some of them into the the free senior high school model. Now I don't have the list.
I know that of Nzema Bamianko.
Bamianko then yeah or no there we under.
Oh yeah na mu commence yes.
Until we no yeah admitted student even CC America say on the oye juma. Na other schools now waka yeah fi say ebia or no obi empo obi anko because it was some of the schools were completed and it was added to the facilities I had a free senior high school no, for people to choose. Na you don't want to schools and obi an choose our schools no because we ko share bibia school no wa nipa ko no mpesa obakọ. Into the abane ye in the areas bia are very difficult for people to access, let's say distance wise. Nipa entumen nanto enko ho no mo chi de ebia school no ya ma school no school bus ama anapa bia wetun afa obi akọ no ma. But Scanner school, you cannot get it that way. The number is too wide to the extent that you cannot provide school buses for every sector. Until May and the Abanse or by boarding facilities, Aka, Dame school now also hold no. Now on your boarding school, until Nipano Kohorma, and say, well, stay ho, Abra or and learner activities. And these are the facilities that the government is adding to the old facilities now. Yes, see, AC Horn. Said they be a boarding schools. Na areas be wo hono so a ahemfo na omode asase no other maya omosi no are also advising there young change them school no to nurses training. I remember when we went to this upper discof. A chief na owo ho na nkasa airplane there nka obaya nka you want ten them school na wasi a Hunter West no na yana nurses training in Farmer one. That was when he pleaded to the president in Yadamadana and Farmer because on who you know that school no omboa. The best thing to do is to give them the nurses training school. So the pledge he gave to the president assured him they all already wage one. Until we said these are the challenges or what those facilities no more. And to only that challenge, you know, how do you go and commence another school buildings aside what you are even facing challenges? Until we say, "Abane de oya mo betumi ayeboa ama education facilities and education over koye amagana."
Okay. You before near health so 88 hospitals about health so near bisa academia do mudi revamping the old ones ne krano e wo honoma have they been made available over Western region has say regional hospital fium kwanta bibia eded anakwemu and until we can go ahead and build 6 additional regional hospitals nana. But as it stands now, no coronavirus cases is here 2074, and then recoveries a jump up 212, but that no so and also a jump up 17, and in all no or seeing a boy whom by na ye show you who ye. But my main bisao coronavirus fight TMU or Mampeni and making it clear say nurses and doctors and they are the major frontliners or to me in the fight against COVID-19.
Yes.
And here is the case out of it, this same doctors need be, nurses need be, sure woman kwa enya ya really be near dear. Mammy say, why is this so? Is it that Nyama was woman used to know and a woman yanning in and I say a beer woman sooner. Woman to me and your money ma be ye and now to me record the cases maybe.
Is it the PPAs now the choir no? I want to say in particular no doctors in Ankasa advice there. So only PPA and I say only that a costume either a share near the core or hormone. You don't go there at all. It's unfortunate. Ghana and so other developed country, US and then other Germany and co. Once one doctor is in be now or my infected. Until or not dear, me who can offer the Damoko for the 1 year Yalabanabi. Even Ubia or discover the coronavirus on enemy, Nipakondusu was affected by the same virus. and the person was killed by the same virus. Until Yarabano de Oyam, Senya Oba, how it transmits and how it goes. Very difficult for you to understand how it gets into. Until the worker, the young boy, who ban and free areas be a obitumia, a faso eye infection on us, and that is wearing the nose mask and then making sure that you sanitize your hands anytime at all. About a touch people. Until you may observe all these precautionary measures, but be a little mistake, you'll get infected. So all this infection idea mean to me how it's not only about PPAs. You can have all the PPAs in place. China for the man now or discover that no only PPAs. How come he was infected? Now America for you, also work laboratory no only PPAs. How is it that their doctors were affected? So hanya PPAs it's about the way you protect yourself against this deadly virus.
Deadly virus, okay. Mami free and tsunamis, and then everybody man so one after the other. Yes. Mami free and tsunamimba rent house rent so. Na o mampeni to seresenka. COVID-19 se nebe ni betumi aboabo ye woni ntinka. We efiewura na ebia wo tenant ne rent aso a. Dia be ya ne so bebo wo na bia wo ne no like we hu ni kakra so that nipa no betumi aboa ne ho ne ade. And me pese yem bisa o president appeal we na wo make engineer so pan ne saying because also will be a senior they be one more or landlord the tenancy can no di feed no say yes it is 106 months 103 months ya 6 months 3 months ne go free sir.
You see I was about to say it. Ghana the way done it no to man and show obido na kan say ne pakoro de ebia for what done rent in the farmer free for 3 months. And they abandoned to me about Nsu. Also Nsu 3 months, Mama will be Antriaka. Electricity was slice. Let's sit down. Because of what to me, ever damn area. But Ghana, your housing project, na housing, government housing, endorse. Nipa hina what's the government Bangalore. Actually, sir, 1 hour, sorry, 1 hour, officers and workers of government know what the government Bangalore. Many when you know to be in them. And I abandoned to me by force in the Pakuna there. My brother, older now, over on a parity, fight any Pakuna for 2 months or 3 months. No, it can't work that way. The only thing I abandoned to me, I end up pleading. They say, Nipakuna di Campa. And I'm saying, what I'm so tracy when the Yamama Yadin. Nyabotan farmer Nipakoro. One can a fatcher. But the worker told them, but tell for money Pacono. Na ebia crisis in each gymnast and Pacono in your scar. No, I didn't with you. So that would be the advice of the government. But the government cannot put pressure on landlords and landladies. There, or more, and yet, and Fante tenants. Obandama, you create a lot of crisis. We will share in 3 years, I mean, a ban academy with that. Into 3 months, Mamma will be to your country because of that. And Obi banner or babu nsua man free. But we have commercial ones over hoduma man for hoduma kobu nsua. Yeah then what ska efi ni pakoninta na sana wabu nsua.
Eh so it's only pakwana no tua ni bibia.
Good. But abansi month no so he will give you half of your bill no. Ska bill now where oba no. They will look at the bill and give you half of the bill no at the skaba brow. Nti man tonu nso no. Because of that, as a mamma tongue and a pipe and a mambabu into what on the pipe. A band then. None of the pipe at the bay. No, send there's one way. No, the padlock is on there. On ye. Then ever. Until Oma and Suba's case. Because was a mamma on tongue. Also say on boy pipe. Into Obandama. It's very different to Obia pipe when if ya. Nasa abanka there. Oh, Mamma will be to your pipe bill. That you have your pipe in your house, you use it freely. But in a case like Zongo community, like we stay, Oko benefit kobu pai and so Nasa abankade on your bill. and as a banker de mama on this cabioma no the padlock to do if I never quite ebunso until me get say the way young yet no we cannot compare ourselves to the developed countries or how where everything is structured now obituma take it and I say bituma the mra aye juma as it is no Ghana is not like that, so our environment is quite different from the other countries the government can only plead on behalf of the tenants for them to give them
but
time.
I think sir with this I say more clarifications in end more clarity in end because LML for instance this commercial water sellers they came out say what government is saying they don't side with him because and almost depending on and if that is the case and now how to almost solve one issue so that in the process of like free they wouldn't go home empty handed, but then at the end of the month they will be giving something and but my engineer way soon I try your home now you buy a better
welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Say Pem works now that Ebo Emmanuel into Blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me put that here boom a Pemi location so I know a Greek. My number is 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Ebusia mama sanda wasi biom aha Nsemsem Dwumadze and ye bobo nsem no say po na ye de akọ but na me bisa say with the issue of water supply no this commercial way now you brought in yen share how the government and as a regional coordinating councils no more are you ready to talk with these people for them to understand say abanika say mumma kwan na enkofo mu nsuo ni free with more commercial water sellers no these are the policies laid down for you.
I think it's been clear. A water company limited rounds. I think I heard them twice. Or van a call round or more announce the policies. Yes, even if you come or mobile. More call if you are municipality, that is what I can attest to because I had me more. Until almost rounds announce there or illegal there will be the pipe. I will be the Safuaba Quaquatum say or no or pipe into boy. Until all dama they will be obliged to come. No about this quantity or pipe forever. They will not give it to you as commercial again. And because of that, it's punishable by law. Until Mamma Obia ending will be said, my own book and so. Nasika Samna Oka Wansam no Abanso Esisu Ekase. 1 hour commercial market on him there. Damonkofuno, they depend on it for survival. And to also to mean down one dam. Until every month and a month no swan. Abandon Scabi Babra. Naskana abandon Babra no. No by ye adia. What about I survive for some time. Until me did say 1 year there were kanakeke because he also thought about those who are doing the commercial business. There the Mukofuno say up and there 100 every month piano 1 bill now where I watch here Edema Ghana Water Company no more. Over team 2 know what they have one for survival because 1 ton a day every month you must survive and this is the money that they are going to give to you. And to say or the dame amount for still amount for air ton. It's illegal because it means you take money from the public. Oh, you are not abanso the escabia at the abroad, you know what's a jack, which I don't think is a good practice. Until me just say they didn't just announce it in the vacuum, but there were measures in place. And I believe Obia Wakade on TV and the nature send na on person but
no yes on person but yes
after announcement I social media and then other media stations in no omu nyina I take this particular issue on and they discuss it thoroughly on air. So if you are not paying attention or be better no catch wrong unless you don't want to know issue bia ni honuma oba ebe catch them there empty until because of the pedality so empty me tiness ebisama I will tell you Also, tina so bibi sawa, obaka tell nipa kono, and I heard them not. That is how information disseminates. Information I disseminate on the grassroots is even more widespread than the Oti Hornwa, where you as if there or you just go out there and then start talking about it. But social media these days carry a lot of information. And to begin to say, be aware of the modalities government na edutuba abra okade obi ambunso free. Be aware.
Well, menya NDC Shama constituency secretary no ewo ha say ora Charles Mensa if you say na and then no ye be the abandoned project ewo northern region ewo ho no mo mampeni dada we oshebo na so wentumi aye ne dia wo mo ye a wo manwie o mo free so a president what so sisi ano so wono so when like minka so wentumi aye because won free so ebi anu ogu kwan mu a anase afi na ogu so wo ba be ye entimi nka se wentumi anye a ebi wo ba betwe nani ahwe na waye because ye he northern region ye ba no Ghana has no nkofo ho and o mampeni ekoho nkoye rallies ni ande ti we bi say adent o mampeni dada in his time for 4 years because 4 years simple is because Atamils were free muno will be taking over. I think it was less than 2 years and will be taking over. Plus the 4 years or signed the Babetina. When you now went to me anye and now man penny for Betina so Ghana for friend on Betina so no say a honum it be a fin of watching in Yako honum na aqua ain't no my entry and we are back. You better uncle Moniso.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idun we aya mpobwa. Mpobwa so to desert lufes lipes na de. Say pem works na da ebo Emmanuel yo into bracket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ebun pem location so am we agree. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Well, Sisiana, me producer, as I remember me say, me also inputted this question out. The government is to construct 200,000 warehouse for food storage. So we'll talk on that. But Ora Charles, Mama Wakaba, why late? Did you say why late? A man we see, so you might also ocean no why pepe. But why late? And no catch him this one part there. But why late? Mami read the story out to everyone. Then na yaba so see NDC list project started by John Mahama, abandoned by NPP government. Listen to the article. So I'm reading the article out. Okay. The Opposition National Democratic Congress (NDC), the newly created Northeast region, has given a tall list of projects started by the Eastwa Mahama administration that have been abandoned by the Nana Addo-led government. Okay. In a press statement copied to radiotamale.com, the NDC said almost all the promises made to the people of the Northeast region have not been fulfilled. Okay, so let me quickly go to promises now we're making now one fulfilling also. So one, some abandoned infrastructure project. One, the e-blog in the Yonjo Nansuan district. 2, the Walawele Wongu Road project, and then 3, the Yagaba Mangarugu Road project. 4, Mankarugu.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So Mankarugu.
That is my district. That is my
say your hometown.
My region. So
I don't know in the hometown. That's what guys say in the hometown.
The area you just mentioned is a fallacy. That Walwale to
but you are going to discuss the
Walwale to Wongo Road. It's a fallacy.
Okay.
I'll tell you why.
Okay. No, right. Okay, so 4, I say the dormitory and classroom blocks at Walwale Vocational Institute. 5, police post at Wenchigi in the Tripon district. 6, the Yendi Tripon Road. 7, the dining hall complex at Nerigu Secondary School. 8, the Eastern Corridor. 9, the dining hall complex.
No, just let me have an understanding for that. It said the dining hall for Nerigu
These are abandoned
Secondary school.
projects.
Yes.
That is my former school. I'll tell you the reason. I'll tell you that project too.
Okay. Then was the Ebro project at Langbisi in the East Mamprusi Municipal.
Yeah, Langbisi.
Okay. Okay. So in light of this, we appeal to the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana to stop talking and then walk his talk. Our story today is told for the whole world to hear, and no amount of propaganda or pretty talks will embellish the fact that this clueless and incompetent government has done nothing in the northeast region. The attempt AstroTurf pitch in the Walawale is one of the enviable disappointments the NPP government led by Mr. His Excellency Akufo-Addo has bequeathed to the people of Walawale. For that matter, northeast same can't be said about similar projects in Chebi.
I think that can hear brofo. I can hear brofo. The projects are not able to
so me person me NDA. Person me NDA. That's why. Chebi and Medina, which has been completed and handed over for us. Okay, so this is a clear case of neglect and then silence. Okay, so we therefore demand the Vice President to take a tour to the northeast region, his home region, to apprise himself of the need and then deprivation of the good people of the region. And there comes my question, say, why are you now pushing your project and going to me and yet to the government?
Okay.
But just hold it, maybe. Maybe also.
Edika minchia or na minchia or producers na minchia my brother Isa so say most started Jumedi and Sana Memeba. And I'm say Endra me no work na me could do my soon so be or baby intina mama elite kakano. That say our mom is opportunity. Na the American say Yampenny Foka say Yedijawa near the Aswao. But they make out here. Answer na MPP for Ebeba Bemu in 2016. Now, our leaders, led by President Akufo-Addo, any vice, Dr. Bawumunia, omunim the enormity and the gravity of work and the cost of many. In the end, say atena say 3 years, 4 months. I ain't high. Emma in your ma yedi jomuno omuntu mi embon ban a eniti na omo wa ban mu yenti mamufo no ade say ya ne say ye kai omo say ade we say e wo hanom aye say wo ye other than that ebe the usual paint policies of the government. Me assure say my brother better na hanom no pay we can free issues be 100 times free this free that. But then, no current woman say, yet, Mamufo na yet ye main. The more a buying ye free this, free that, no, ye wushy. These projects,
free this, free that, then up as a
says ya me no Kasa. Now, may buy an Amazon Manugu water bill in Nsemsem so Amoka, and a light bill in Nsemsem Amoka. Who call the grounds up? The ordinary Ghanaian na also benefiting from the project. Enya the service wo ho no. Nti aban no aka edina no aka ma me brother kire say nkitahudie no kure e because of social media, but at the end of the day the beneficiary no mo yete mamufo no omo nsanka da akade na yeso omo ka no. Nti the American say endra me betena hanso no me ma unya nti yes enya ndisi fo nko an e ka ho. Occupy Ghana Omoye members, majority of them, in fact, the finance minister, Honorable Ken Furiata, is a core member of Occupy Ghana. Ufa City TV, Omo outfits now. Obibeka say they are more or less inclined towards the NPP because Omo CEO, Mr. Samuel Mensah, Ata Mensah, was once an appointee of President Akufo-Addo. Omanya the cost to write to Akufo-Addo in the last 3 years, he said, look, Oba Bemunu, who when you say I didn't who or the manifesto nearby, But sa nyama we ni nyama we wan hwe na se wan ya. E de insusanso bone e de bebre. And any project and crofo you can want them. Abandoned project or minimum yeja since the inception of Ghana or the country no under this administration the Fourth Republic no almost see no almost a bit cost here close to 1.2 billion Ghana cedis and so it to me I complete all these projects now say abandon within this last period now so on to me 1.2 billion now or be starting new project then it will tell you say emani yentu impon ko ye ni bia and when I cite example o figure kwan so afa so e da bia from Sky Junction to Efiankwanta Hospital Junction so we use road na one said there is a regional theater is you on regional theater is you on that project started way back in 89 under the Rawlings administration, Kufuor's administration, Mills administration, Mohammed's administration, and Sani Aba President Akufo-Addo ni administration. So all this year, ye job projects this year. Meanwhile, ordinary people ye taxes na yetuano, and ye the yes our project way. It is about time. I think Ghanaians, the ordinary Ghanaians, so much to your taxes. Omo be share ye political parties, both NDC and MPP. Ni ye jai this kind of lip service to policy implementation. Says ya mene wote aban ba omnya abenyo medi so no na ye wo 40 years implementation policy national policy a wo ho no omo ba omo say that national policy no omo mpe because it will not help them but rather they will believe in the implementation of a 10-year policy. Into omo starting omo drafting of the 10-year policy. Meanwhile the same aban so akọ the international community akọ bobosia the generation will have to pay the same loan in 90 good years. Into a mind be developing. It is because the state have a national policy. Without a national policy, we will come and do some of these knee-jerk policies decision and we'll go away. It's a very, very effective. Say, people are now waking up to the reality. And I believe that it will not only be under the MPP administration, Ghanaians back calling on the government, say, abanda da ni jumedi e wudi so ndo na me brother e the pictures bi e kire wo say omo bae no omo si some hospitals and say me ka kire wo say sa pictures on the kire wo nukura bi anim. In fact our history as a country is well documented, be it the MPP history or NDC history or the Ghanaian history. It is documented e wo paper so enti enda ya batena ase no me ni me brother e be yeta fro benyimom or any of the projects be I'll show him where the basis of the project is and where it was started from and the level you do here. And it's in there, I promise you, I brought the document to prove him wrong. In essence, the American say the projects na ye go on mono. E Ghana for there. Say yo, nyina project. Inti aban no so de ferry ebeto nchen. Na wa ye project na. Ebebo na nkasa after all no wa aban mu. On ope enunyam ope fans. So we project ni we are say President Mahama want to me former President Mahama want to me be gina say or commission projects no one na be commission into who commission a obeji fans no e man crofo be say dia why ni so it will serve them well if they will listen to the advice from the ordinary people in the country, be it the northern region or western region. They are all Ghanaians, whether NDC or MPP. They cannot run away from it that Ghanaians are complaining say abandoned projects on they should go back and work on it. It's very, very important.
Well, that's it. My member, Mr. Isa, so.
When I say I can't abandon projects, and then I'm point out. Then I'm going to catch you there. Say I can't abandon projects. Okay, housing projects. MPP housing projects na year. We said they are mobile power good 8 years. Omo do mosaka buildings.
Sir, argument.
No, it may per se into the messy. You see, when you are saying it to me, I'll have that tendency to absorb it. But when you Kebia, why are you so loud this time around? For the period of 8 years, why were you not loud? Shouting on top of your voice against your government that they should go and complete the other abandoned projects. MPP for the Ghana one. Why are you? Remember, just here, around this corner, oh, you have 4 cameras. Momon got Takrade Hospital. Takrade Hospital. Project that was being started by MPP government in 2008. It's still sitting there. Hospital project, you know, it's still sitting there. And just yesterday or so, the contractor is now back to complete that particular project. And the MPP na so, and this for a block of Kurumpo Fante so. And you are talking of abandoned projects. Me, I can me point out certain a year. Yeah. 1992, and sorry, 1993, that I was admitted into Nadigo Senior Secondary School. And then 1993 now Moko school no, not that project now Moka the dining hall no, was there. Dining hall project no, it was there.
But then you're complete.
Now you're complete. It was abandoned even at the time in 1993 before I mean Moko school. And you are now telling us that up to now abandoned were incomplete. How many years did NEC spend? 1992 to 2000. From 2009 to 2016. How many years? It's not 16 years. One who done project now. Project to Kurso almost so in the Walawale to your friends saying Wulugu project. You know. It's not a project. It's a lie. Or your main road though, that leads to Bolgatanga. So when you are that road was constructed in 1992 by Rollins. It started from this place from what do you call it? It's one other region. They started it from where Tetiman area there down to a Bolgatanga. That main road is a main road, concrete and it's solid. And that is why they tell you that when you are going to swim in northern region, the road is there. You look at it and you can speed as much as you can. So which project are they talking about? Main road that leads from Walwale to Ulugu. What happened to it? So if you are doing press conference or you are doing press release, you must be mindful of how you throw out certain allegations. Because my LK in Nano, if you are you don't know the place. So the person is misleading you. Good. So the person is misleading you. He talks about Walwale vacation school. Also, no who a year but then for 1 year. I have a plan. So I have every information about Northern region. In the morning to evening. You have a platform, you update everything. And it's not a political platform. We're a youth of the area. Yana a school no blind and with those who are in the house. And every information in the house is on the platform. And I'm privy to everything. Even some academic come hometown and I say but I have information of what is happening in the northern region. So to hold the man know that now all the tone from just like that without any basis. As if you don't know anything about northern region, so you just throw it in and then you go scot-free. So these are the things NDC is doing. Just no statement no correct or more impression. For say Mr. They have no regard for anybody.
Oh. Is
and
that
my brother, but look at the press. If you are releasing a press, this is a release to the media.
So now
as far as to this particular area, you must be mindful of words that you use.
Oh.
You understand?
It is a mute or irrelevant
argument. Listen,
please. Education. Sincerely speaking, the writing of the name Mr. Akufo-Addo without the adjective His Excellency doesn't take away anything from him. It doesn't take away anything.
But to me,
well, you
the president, your friend is saying.
Your friend, His Excellency Mahmoud Bawa.
Oh, is that his name?
Oh, okay. So
is that his name?
That's why he. No, that's why she tagged you to a
we are learning.
Situation.
Listen.
Oh, go ahead. But you give him that title.
Listen. We are in a learning environment. At every point in time, I take opportunity to learn. The man is called Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Do you get it?
And your vice where your president.
Granted, president. Fine. It be me saying, I will take exception to the omission of doctor. Because doctor is something the person struggles for.
Wrong is wrong. Don't try to cover
it. It is not wrong. Me know what yes is here. We are called mistakes.
No, or your friend say
they would have addressed him sensitively like that. Oh, is that in doubt?
No, I ask.
Immediately,
just mention it for me.
Listen, me mention me Bwama. Yes, you saw your hinenu. Ni giving name I had the one. You can't use that one to call him. Now he in our best friend.
Why?
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 Do you get it? The same thing they say. The same thing applies to the president.
It doesn't take away anything. Your friend, Mr. Akufo-Addo, does it change anything about him being the president?
It
doesn't.
No, it does.
Everyone knows that he's the president.
No.
What is the big point about that one?
It does. Miti, I don't own a company. And as a company, I am a general manager.
Yes.
And I am a programs manager. Now a presenter. And I say, me guys will call me just by my name. I wouldn't take it lightly from the person.
You sure?
I wouldn't.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Because that's name now, position there, dear mama.
Is that a possession?
I search for it.
No. It's not a possession.
It
is not.
No.
It is not a possession.
Let's put that
It is
argument.
never a possession.
Let's make that argument.
That is his point of view.
Yes,
Anyway, let's gloss over it.
So that is what I'm saying. I'm saying abandoned projects. I mean, animal can seriously they'll have to go back and review what they did. A projects be even poly higher. Since our friend University projects be hold my MPPS as NDC for Ben one to us. A BU campus. We started that particular project, completed it, and a friends a business campus.
Business campus.
There were projects the NDC came, they didn't complete them. So many secondary schools projects are to one more. NDC for months and can.
Isa, are you saying say?
As one can answer.
UTT. No. It's very. I want to get something from him.
What are you going to get?
No problem.
What are you going to get? You're not going to get anything. I'm giving you evidence. I over to me and then to alcohol my question. And to me to na ha me ndam kan sam to all mo na mansoron ko. As I make you go to various secondary school projects are MPP for science na I get farm projects ni na and this for for mo san kan. But I as a political party no na do dan ko Akufo-Addo promise. Their projects are what abandon wo ho no oba e ga na sika. Oba den oba to yaso no wa dan projects no. Ya be na housing project na omo ye ya omo wie no. Nana Akufo-Addo on we ya. Omo commission dam project na. Housing projects na owo a friends a voter registry or mo we free. Saglame. Ya we ya. It wasn't complete when we came to power. But project ni ya completed that project. I'm a housing minister. Eko ho no mo me kai po there another project bi wo ho no mo see houses bi de ma navy fo. Vice President no commissioned that project after completion.
It's because the projects were completed then.
You see?
When you commissioned it, the project were completed.
I'm telling you areas are MPP for your no. We have not abandoned any project.
You have.
Look, let me tell you. Across the country, there's only one project. That project in the
which one is that?
And it's a hospital project and friends at Bono Ahafo region. I told you yesterday, and I said I will have to find out. Even I said when Ketia went to Asampa FM, and he said that project is not being managed well, and a contractor AKI project, and the MCE came to explain why the contractor left him. And this is the only project. Why project, okay, go hospital. And people never continue our project.
Oh,
is it a lie?
It is a powerful lie.
So what
brother? Listen, some of these these arguments I just can't take it because listen, this is a regional communication director.
Maybe hold it, Western region has what called Elembela. Before we do, I think Ebi Bukazo branch Akomaha. There is a building Messi. As it stands now, I think it was completed in an era of John Dramani Mahama, ex-president. Abibia, are you okay? But it has been abandoned. No one.
I have a project.
Is it the e-blog?
And your school.
Okay.
oh, I've forgotten the detail, but then it was AB Bokazo.
Okay.
It was AB Bokazo, a building, I'm saying, this, gas.
Oil and gas project, okay.
Building a honum.
But if it's a gas project,
I will go get the details and then I'll send
because
it to
I
you.
know gas project one building now call Otra a maha
and what time no before bedroom maha I said security post I saw better come
oh say gas project be wo hodo ye be complete commissioning. I was part of the commissioning
because I went there at late and baby I mean who say a journal said then a bush ni no so then I was told says a project you complete everything is finished and but nipo be yejuma wo assistance now anywhere but Atlantic Takrady Hospital, who were named Kakra before we do Atlantic roundabout one. There was this hospital quarters be and also as at now, and this
listen. My sister, I'm somebody. I'm very meticulous about the things that I say because me integrity is on the line. European hospital. Fortunately, my father worked there, but retired at Interbeting Hospital. Do you get it? This project was started under the administration, all right. You buy and you continue. From 2016, 2017. So far, I'm buying.
So, I see, I think I'm going to
no. Me see, I'm going to no. Listen. Make us just document it and do your research. It's on YouTube. Endra Kotie Endra join us for news 7 o'clock news item. Interview the hospital administrator at European Hospital, and he said it. Said almost 3 years, 4 months here by and by. They have not done anything. The contractor have not even stepped there.
Do you get it? Or say I think I buying a page.
Since when? You're too Obama. Listen, my deviating from what we are talking about. The argument is that the government have reneged on completing existing projects. Is it true or not?
Oh, I mean, I wouldn't say it's true.
Yes, it's a big European hospital. A typical example. Granted, say me NDC. You buy 8 years. If you say under the Fourth Republic, almost 25 years. MPP ba bemuda. NDC for kwani atena hono. And Andre ya omoba bemu. 3 years. Yatina wa yen hwehan 3 good years. Afe na abaya suma nkrofo so omko site no mko ye adwuma. Is that the where Isa Fuseni person yeti ase?
Asa per grant a roundabout you say yachi.
But anything I mention will say. Since here NDC oka bibia kura NDC for we don't have any power.
This is the project.
What is he showing you?
It's a video.
Yeah, the video doesn't say anything. The fact is that Oba Abemunu, in the last 3 years, you have not stepped on site to work on this project. So Oba 3 years, work on site. No.
I said now
we
that
are
the contractor has gone back to site.
Now we are talking about then. Then 3 years, Oba Abemunu, 3 good years in you. Want to mean step on the site to even do anything? Say 3 years. And on mobile, your friend said 2017, no more site, no more starting a we are. And by this time, we are. These are projects are finishing.
No, you see,
finishing.
You see, the project was
stop lying and deceiving public.
No, the project was abandoned in 2009.
It's granted. Me say, want to me we am
I just wish Sanka a bit to me iron in a way.
Okay.
I'll send it to you. I'll let the
It's a the me person wunya ntia say says here one man contractor acco site of
bed capacity.
It can even be 1,000 bed capacity. It's the same material. For 3 good years, your incompetence and negligence in executing the project has been lying idle.
Okay, I heard you.
Do you get it? And this is the issue. No, last one, remember to you, so I don't have any problem. Me pekra me kasabi, you continue. Saglame, housing. Omo buying the same issue with this European hospital. Omo dilling about it 3 years, 4 months. In fact, just last 2 weeks, the health minister, ye catch and say, Nkrofo ye di omo egu hotels quarantine omo honum. Sanka omo intina honum. They could have been sent to Saglame Hospital. Abaning entua bibia in terms of hotel bill. Omunim the response of mine. The projects in a Saglame are uncompleted building. Into the information could now regional communication director at Yakache say it has been completed by them. What are you saying?
Pictures,
Oh no, me more pictures. So this Saglame project. Oh, these are things existing on the floor. What is it? I'll show you. Saglame project.
You want me to show you project?
Oh, don't worry. Me, yeah, anything I'm the buyer. You show me non-existing projects.
I have this one in my house, and we have gone through it. The fantasy and the lies. He will point out every non-existing project in this book and say if you yes.
I will indulge you.
Yes.
Minkasa.
I did a research B and then Saglame housing project. Do you know?
Yeah, Saglame.
I'll say this Mohammed's Abintifi Hospital, which was also designated to be a referral hospital for the entire enclave, has been abandoned since Nana Akufo-Addo assumed office. The structures have been started deteriorating, and then the place is gradually becoming a comfortable haven for reptiles and then other dangerous animals. The current
comfortable habitat for reptiles.
I screenshot the pictures. Me screenshot the pictures. But
yes.
I think
this is Saglame housing project.
Pictorial.
Are you telling me that it doesn't exist?
Oh no, which one?
This project, are you telling me, sir, it doesn't exist?
Saglame housing project.
Are you telling me, sir, it doesn't exist?
That's how it was drawn.
No, Isa, you are original communication.
This one is in Accra, Papaye project.
Yes.
Papaye.
Yes.
But then abandoned. Okay.
Isa, I want you to confirm this on a national television.
A blocks in the American say incomplete in there are certain.
Mrs. Star, me pacho. So, Isa, are you saying that this project is non-existent on the ground as we speak?
Did I say so?
He didn't say so.
I say there are projects in this book, it doesn't exist. Maybe the first project, Saglame housing.
Okay.
Does it exist or not?
And a book
in any, me they show us me Kasabi.
Oh, so be crowd.
No, me they show us me Kasabi, me see me time near the man. Point out just one project any book on the ground. Point out one.
And they are all.
You see, politics
now expose you here.
Oh no, Nemi, we are youthful. We should not always follow the trajectory of Yen Nananum. I had the current crop of MPP leadership are a disappointment to what we call politics. First, I'm NDC, I'm pro-NDC. But I will never shine away from praises. Or forbid to say, Dr. Apreku Kunedua, or Kasa say he's speaking to issues and not propaganda. What Yanum Kachem say, project we book where project a woman doesn't exist. Meanwhile, you are staying in this very project. This is the National Communication Authority. Baby, Madam Oslowusu Akufo-Addo. This is like the office constructed under John Dramani Mahama. So what are you saying?
That is where these people, the Coastal Development Authority, where they stay. I've been there several times, and that is
what is the point are you making?
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
I've been there.
As it stands now.
Yes, that is how it looks.
That is how it looks. And they are staying into a minimum. You see, one said, oh yeah, expose me. He says it's a minimum.
No, Kohorma, you will be lost.
Oh.
I'm telling you.
Okay, Mr. Star.
Accra,
I'm telling you, book me, the beja, when you producers, it is a promise, I may mamu.
Thank you.
How many of you? 3 I'm going to help you. I'll get you your transportation and link you with accommodation. Me make it this someone mobile. I'm going to get you accommodation in Accra.
Okay.
As well as your transportation. I will foot it.
Okay.
Go to Accra. All the existing projects, the way on. Oko honest a new on it doesn't exist. Me mba mu studio have him.
Oh, Accra and no projects, no projects.
No, for this one.
I said they won't come.
No, let's look at Western region. It's also captured here.
Now say Western region projects no. You are saying this project does not look as it is in Accra.
Green book. Almost see secondary school you are a friend say
window.
As I can window.
Famano. My sister Fabu Famano. No, Famano. I will not help him to prosecute his case.
No.
But I know it's him.
Listen. project be say under Greek it is written at the content column.
No.
Say a house now it is written at the
we do the school say
oh Isa
this and last year ni omuni MTN for cabo enyo some building be near school buildings be near there
book we the same. There are national projects, regionally executed projects, district projects. Into the national projects are captured, regional projects are captured, and district projects are captured. So can we do? I will presume say window falls under ECMA.
That's not ECMA.
It's not ECMA. Into your friend say no district no. You get it?
No, or STM.
I will be happy. Say you call the next breaker.
Yeah, that time no STM.
Very good.
Into your call breaker, he has the benefit of this book. He should point into the book where that thing was stated, and it doesn't exist.
Oh, I can get you.
Why? Okay, politics say, and we are growing up. Me and my brother Isa, we are growing up, and we should be able.
So, I say
1989. Yeah.
What's this?
Yes.
89.
Yes.
At about this time, how many years?
It's beyond 20 years. It's almost about 28 years. It's almost about 28 years.
We're talking of 30. And you're 20.
Granted. That's 30
about
years.
31 years.
Yes. Granted.
31 years. Out of 31 years, and it's for the eye. For the 19 plus 16, how many? No, I just want us to do mathematics. 19 plus 6, plus 16.
That would be 35 or 36 years.
36 years. Out of the year, so 36 years now. You can even when you are 31, no, and this occupy 33 years. No, you know, one year be
my sister,
because NDC spent 19 years. The NDC spent 19 years. Plus the 8 years. So it wasn't 16, but 8 years. Which will give you how much? 19 plus 8 will give you 27. Is that not so? Yeah. So 27 years out of 31, NDC spent. They didn't do anything about it. We have just spent
on behalf of my NDC.
8 years. Or how many years?
7 years.
NDC is expecting to complete that building.
Isa, on behalf of the
they are not putting pressure on us.
Why not?
Nobody can put pressure on you.
No, they are not. That is why he is.
Why not?
Okay, fine.
Even though it's necessary there, I know why you're done project, you know. Man, I say in particular, I'm so worried about that particular project. Because also what? And if NDC, if they are not ready to do it, you see, financing no your problem, no. Okay. You see, your problem, over your project, all right.
Oh, so that's for the library, my year. It's not maybe
Yakata project, all right. Now allocation of fund is given to that particular project. There, Nasikano Obaba hand over to the minister that is coming in. Who hand a project now the amano. With the money that is remaining, you don't hand over project and the money didn't come. You are expecting him to go and look for another money and finish the project. And that is the challenge that we are facing today. Most of the projects that were captured by NDC hand projects were paper no more hand over the money. No money attached to it. There was no money left anywhere.
People
and you remember, at the time now, NDC forward power, 2016 President Muhammad Ankasa and there is no money anywhere. And there is no money for them to even foot bills of teacher training allowances and necessary training allowances. And then they were telling that the economy at that time was skeleton. Now, more can your bones. And this phone work at
the chorus.
So you ate all this thing and you are expecting MPP to come and raise funds somewhere and then finish your projects.
Well,
why are you not
continue with this discussion, God willing. We wanted to do a different program, but looking at the way things are going, I think we'll continue, God willing, on Friday. And you know, if at your Friday, no, be a way, because then you bet you pepe. 25. Near 10 minutes and I wrap up. And you have more channel be a baby because me take more ebu efumi pa and you know I think say yeah you bet so and now ye di esia say Nsemsem no Nsemsem Dwumadze no there's a facer ye take and you know bear with us and then also any comment in this one pacho don't add insult to it and then we are make and pacho finally
the final position is MPP for enemy brother is amunjin to me say says your money they cannot run away from their responsibility. Say ye job money the paperwork any job money and first can count. 3 years in government. Have you prosecuted anyone I just say we di sikebi wa bema. No. That shows how incompetent this government is. The token is becoming more than performance. And we can't continue like that as a country. Nti isanjin tum.
Okay. Only Bibiaka.
Only Bibiaka. Yeah, you have nothing to say. You are overwhelmed.
Oh, yes. It may happen. Then you can't. Because so because I'm not, and yeah, on yourself, but respond at the best thing to be.
You have no
so,
answers.
I don't have to, but I want you to do one thing for me. This is the book. Or the ammo. Photo. Glance through. Be much concerned about.
Me 1,000 copies. That was me office. I don't even want. The producers.
You are the very people who made the party lost in the 2018.
Oh, why not?
The 1,000 pieces are.
It is because then. It is because then no one. It is because then no one knew to you learn your way into government, and then you are being exposed.
Communicators were looking for this book to communicate. They couldn't get.
Oh, who told you?
You are holding thousands of them.
Who told you? Who told you?
Communicators were here. But do your homework, scrutinize this particular book, be much concerned about Western. I'll do mine in the house. And let us meet again.
I will help you even do the analysis.
This man is not ready to come to the program early.
Oh, that is not fair. But we've gone beyond that. We've gone beyond that.
So come again with another book. I'll come with mine.
No problem.
We'll cross-check every project.
No problem.
All right, so Nana Sumedi Sechi was a live Lydia Connie all the way from America. Also share live Adumba. Also share live on
competent
Facebook.
People in power.
And you know, Dennis Nana will say share live on Facebook, and Matthias Stafford Damwa, executive producer of on Nsemsem Dwumadze, also share live on Facebook. MC Anyamisho Munina, and then me programs manager Kojo Freestyle Matthias Mensa, aka also produces so nicely. But I said any tapsoba, elbow metridom, and then let me send me greetings and fan come Miami Sweet at I told him I'll mention his name. What the name be I don't get it, but then we solve it at home. Yakubu had more China, but say she has same politics, God willing, tomorrow. Send your comments and your contributions. Na yen share, na yen discuss it. Yamisho Bibi, Yami had more China, ever since we share.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Dwumadze do where I am Poboa. And Poboa sort here desert, loafers, slippers na day. Say Pemu works na that, Ebo Emmanuel into brackets Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook. And we put that here, a boom, a Pemu location so I know a Greek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.